How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram. Dylanberg999 is my name on there. Okay, so what I do with my hickey videos, again, I get probably 5 to 10 comments per day on my channel from subscribers about hickeys. That's why this video topic is still going on my channel. If I didn't get all the comments, I probably wouldn't make this video as often as I do. Again, it's one of my main topics when I do my videos on my channel. So I'm gonna read a question from a subscriber and then we're gonna go over that. Basically, it's just them asking different products to use to get rid of a hickey. So let's do it. This subscriber wants to know, can you get rid of a hickey with toothpaste? Ooh, that's a good question. Now, toothpaste is pretty magical stuff. It cleans our teeth. Get white teeth like this. See, they're pretty white. You get white teeth from them. You also, this is a hit or miss, but people use them on cold sores too. And apparently that does work for getting rid of cold sores. I don't know about that. But different stuff for toothpaste, lots and lots of uses. People are asking now, can you get rid of hickeys with toothpaste? That very well could be. It could work. I have not tried it myself. Again, all of these questions that I get, some of them I have tried, some of them I haven't. But most of them I haven't tried just because they're really random questions. But toothpaste is pretty common. I've gotten that before. I have not tried that myself. But like I say with my videos, anything that is applied topically, what I mean by topically is just anything applied to the skin, is going to take a decent amount of time for it to go away. For example, doesn't matter how fast toothpaste works, if you put it on your skin, minimum, I would say minimum, probably at least 2 hours. And that's if it works. If it works like super fast, if it's just kind of good, maybe 4 to 6 hours, maybe a day, maybe 2 days. What I like to do to get rid of a hickey is rub the hickey. Rub it with anything. Pen, coin, spoon. Coin and spoon work the best. Pen, hit or miss. Anything, rub that sucker. Rub it for 2 to 5 minutes. It will be completely gone. 100% guaranteed. It will become red. Trust me on that. It'll be red like my hoodie. But once the redness goes away in 5 to 10 minutes, your hickey will also be gone. So that's what I recommend. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks.